Welcome back to Auto Drive Show, the place where true car enthusiasts come to experience the future of driving. If you love cars that combine power, style, and innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance cars coming our way, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This is not just another muscle car, it's a statement of legacy, performance, and the future of American automotive engineering. The Mustang name has always been synonymous with raw power, aggressive design, and thrilling driving dynamics. Over the decades, it has built a reputation as the heartbeat of American muscle cars. And now, with the Dark Horse trim, Ford has taken everything enthusiasts love about the Mustang and turned it up several notches. The 2026 model year introduces refinements, new technologies, and even more performance, making the Dark Horse one of the most desirable Mustangs ever built. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Mustang Dark Horse stands out immediately with its sinister, aggressive look. Ford has given this car an aura of dominance, with sharper body lines, wider stances, and aerodynamic enhancements that make it look as if it's in motion, even while standing still. The front fascia is redesigned with a darker, more aggressive grille, sleek LED headlights, and a lower, more purposeful stance. The hood vents, side skirts, and subtle rear wing all point towards its track-ready nature, while the signature tri-bar taillights remind us that this is still unmistakably Mustang. Exclusive Dark Horse badging and unique color options, including the iconic blue ember metallic, give it that unique presence that no other muscle car can match. Now let's talk about performance, because that's what the Dark Horse is truly all about. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, tuned specifically for this trim. Ford has refined this power plant to deliver over 500 horsepower, making it the most powerful non-Shelby production Mustang in history. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission for purists who want full control, or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts and daily drivability. The 2026 Dark Horse is built for those who want the visceral experience of raw V8 power, but with the refinement of modern engineering. Performance isn't just about the engine though. Ford has equipped the Dark Horse with serious upgrades to ensure it handles as good as it looks. A MagneRide adaptive suspension system constantly adjusts to road conditions, giving you precision and comfort whether you're cruising or pushing the car on a track. Brembo brakes provide massive stopping power, while the upgraded tires and wheels give maximum grip in all situations. The car's aerodynamics aren't just for show, they help keep it planted at high speeds, making it a true driver's car. Step inside, and the Dark Horse continues to impress. The interior is a perfect blend of modern tech and driver-focused design. You'll find high-quality materials, bolstered performance seats, and unique Dark Horse accents that remind you this isn't an ordinary Mustang. The fully digital cockpit features a customizable 12.4-inch instrument cluster and a massive 13.2-inch center screen running Ford's SYNC4 system, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The Dark Horse is as connected as it is powerful. Ambient lighting, premium sound systems, and driver assistance features ensure this car isn't just about performance. It's about everyday usability too. What makes the 2026 Dark Horse special is how it balances tradition with innovation. On one hand, it delivers that classic muscle car feeling, the roar of a V8, the thrill of shifting gears, and the raw emotion of speed. On the other hand, it embraces the modern age with advanced technology, smart features, and refined engineering. This makes it a car that appeals not just to Mustang loyalists but to a whole new generation of performance enthusiasts. Ford has made it clear that the Dark Horse isn't just another trim level, it's the halo model of the Mustang lineup. Positioned above the GT, it's built for those who want something more exclusive, more thrilling, and more it sits in a sweet spot between the daily driven Mustang GT and the hardcore Shelby models, making it the perfect choice for drivers who want performance without compromise. In a world where the automotive industry is rapidly shifting towards electrification, the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse is a celebration of what makes traditional performance cars so special. It's a reminder that the roar of a naturally aspirated V8 still has a place in the future, and it carries the Mustang legacy forward with pride and confidence. So, whether you're a Mustang fan, a muscle car enthusiast, or just someone who loves powerful and beautiful machines, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is a car you need to experience. It's aggressive, it's advanced, and most importantly, it's pure Mustang. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Auto Drive Show for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and stay tuned for the next ride.